What's up everyone, Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. Wanted to show y'all a quick project we finished, and when I say quick, this is going to be really quick. This was a new construction, so there's not really any before photos. This homeowner chose to go ahead and encapsulate their crawlspace right from the get-go. This was the smartest thing they could do, but we just wanted to show y'all what that looks like and what the photos or how the project turned out. So we were able to skip the installation in the subfloor, which is always a positive when we can do that. The one difference between our normal encapsulations and new construction is this wall liner. Per the North Carolina and South Carolina building code, we have to insulate the walls, and this is the wall liner you have to do. It doesn't look the cleanest, but it does function. It's super hard to get this to look really clean. It kind of tugs on my OCD heart a little bit, but at the end of the day, it's going to work, it's going to function. So just showing y'all through. I mean, this is a really clean job, looks good. You can get a little bit better picture of the liner there. And like I said, it's going to be a short video. It's not a whole lot to show you, but just wanted to show you what it looks like from the get-go when a crawl space is new and clean and looks good, and we're able to get in here and get the work done. It doesn't really help us when it's a new construction as far as a time or price standpoint goes. We've tried doing certain parts of the encapsulation ahead of time before the flooring system goes on. The problem is in the construction world, the plumbers, the electricians, the gas company, they all come behind us and they just tear everything up. So we typically tell homeowners we want to be the absolute last one in this crawl space. 2 weeks before your contractor, or before you call for your CO, your final inspection, that's when we want to get in there. Maybe 3 weeks, but we don't want anybody else going in there behind us. You can see our dehumidifier, the electrician hadn't come back and put the plug in the crawl space yet. They went ahead and ran the power. They just hadn't, I guess, trimmed it out and added the plug. So this obviously gets plugged in. But this homeowner will have a warranted crawl space that's free of mold and moisture problems for a long time coming. One thing to point out is that it's just part of good home ownership, but we stress even in this situation that this is not waterproofing your crawl space. This is more for the moisture, the ambient moisture in the air, that you still have to worry about your grading, you still have to worry about your gutters, your surface water, surface runoff, stuff like that. So just keep that in mind, but hopefully y'all like what you see, and if you have any questions, let us know. 704-813-9554, or you can shoot us a message on any of our social media channels, YouTube. Once this gets put up, any of that stuff, let us know and we're happy to help. Thanks, y'all have a good day.